5.
Day 5.
Today, we are headed to some of the auto salvage places that exist in the North Woods to try and see if we can find some windows, some other parts that we might need, but really the windows are key today. We need to be able to get the windows to fit them, determine the sizing, and start insulating and building the paneling on the side.
Yep.
So that's what we're doing today, and then hopefully we're going to, if the weather holds up, be able to finish the insulation on the ceilings, and that's probably it, huh?
Yeah, if we get all that done, I'd be super happy.
Yeah. Then we can actually start designing and building furniture and doing the paneling.
Yeah.
Make it look like a real home.
I can't see nothing. Thank you. I think I'm supposed to be turning over this way.
It's been a little bit harder to back out without our rear camera yet, but we do have our car place.
Where would you like to go?
Directions to Rhinelander Auto Salvage.
Getting directions to Rhinelander Auto Salvage.
Ooh, very cool. Okay, here we go. Rhinelander Auto Salvage, quarter mile. What'd you get?
We got our first window for the van.
Yes, it's gonna fit.
Yep.
Yeah.
25 bucks. Got a little slidey thing. I don't know how to use yet. Ooh.
Sweet,
Hello.
sweet
Bye. Hi.
air.
I know we just put this thing in yesterday, but now we're taking it back out because we gotta wire the backup cam. That's this little bright red cable here. We didn't have enough cable to run it yesterday. We bought some more, so now it is time to finish up that, which means disassembling this thing again. And plus now we got plenty of this cable to run all the way to the back of the van, which is where the backup camera is going to live. Lisa, the zip tie master, making sure our wiring looks all pretty. How's it going under there?
Good, just one more. It's a heavy wire.
Here's the whole bundle of wires that we're connecting to. We got to connect the wire that we're just running into the positive and the negative of this wiring harness, so that way the backup camera will be always on.
Installation of the backup camera happening right above me.
Look it up on your internet.
Beep, 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 beep. Trying to figure out placement for the rear view camera because our license plate is a little bit to the left and way too low. So we figured up higher might be better. Woo!
Hey, Brian Walter.
Just did a little bit more wiring today, and Josh added some colorful cables. Don't really know what it's for, and he won't tell me. Look at these. I have a suspicion that he's going to put a Nintendo console or something here, and he didn't tell me. He kept pulling. I was like, what are these cables for? What are these cables for? This is not for the rear. What do they plug into? We'll find out.
Layout master mom here, laying out our spots in the van. This is our kitchen up here, and then over here is a little bit of closet space, backing up to the fridge and a hutch. That's a word that people know. Shower. Shower will be here all the way back to the bathroom.
All right, have a seat.
Have a
Luxurious. I
seat.
got so much room in here.
Oh, yeah, but your hands aren't going to go that far. We need to put a wall up here, give you the real thing.
Try to stand up.
Without,
Oh.
only because you have great core, but I don't think you could go smaller is what I'm saying. Right. So, oh, you put your hands through the wall. Now try not touching the wall and standing up.
Bucket test for sizing your bathroom. What you mocking up there? What you got? Is that our shower?
This is your mini shower.
It's our mini
I
shower.
gotta have you go in there and see if you get claustrophobic and crawl up into the fetal position.
Begin crying uncontrollably.
Yes.
Oh, my shower, it's so small.
This is great. I can shower in here.
Are you going to be dancing while you shower?
Of course.
Look at all that room. That's a lot of room.
Yeah. I can dance in here.
Okay, so those are the furring strips for the ceiling, and that's what we're going to attach all of our ceiling plywood ceiling materials to it. Make the van look finished once we're done. You can just do every like framing, like 16, 16, 16. Sometimes you just get into the work so much that you forget to pick up the camera for a little while. What we did is we put the furring strips for the ceiling up, just nailed these with 2-inch self-tapping screws, just straight through the wood, and then we cut basically 2 pieces of 2x2 in half, 27 inches each side, screwed them right into there. And now we are beginning to cut the pieces of XPS foam, which is the same stuff that we use here. We're using the table saw, and we're using 3/4 inch foam, and we're just gonna put it all over the ceilings. Does it fit?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Perfect. Snug.
We're so
Not both.
It's a party.
Not both.
So we are starting to lose a little bit of our daylight, and it is fast approaching night. But because we have all of our foam pieces all cut out and ready to go, we thought we might just finish up our ceiling insulation just to be done with it. And then maybe tomorrow we can start paneling and doing our ceiling. So we have our light set up here, so we can keep light even if it gets a little bit dark. We had to go run out and get some more foam spray and Gorilla Glue, but I think we're all good to go. So we'll see how the rest of this evening goes.
Okay, sun has gone down a while ago, but we are just about done with the ceiling insulation. It's taking a lot longer than we thought. There's just a lot of little cuts you gotta do. But the rest of the ceiling is insulated, and now we're getting all the little cracks and crevices with this wool insulation that we got a really good deal on. Everybody's pretty tired, myself included, but it just feels like there's just an unlimited amount of insulation that this van can take. It's just a big sponge for insulation. And we're just trying to fill it up as much as we can before we give up on it. The whole van is just goopy spray foam droppings now. Oh, there goes one. Oh no, Lisa. How would you summarize the last couple hours?
Just goopy mess everywhere, uncontrollable foam getting everywhere. It feels a little bit never-ending, but I'm glad we got all our foam boards up. It bothers me to know that there are crevices that have not been filled yet.
Yep. That is it for tonight. We are just a sticky mess. There is stuff hanging from the ceiling. Lisa's got stuff in her hair. We have insulated as much as we can insulate tonight. We still need to get another couple of rolls, but I think we're pretty much done insulating. What's coming up next is we're gonna stick the floors on. We're gonna stick the walls on. We might even cut a hole in it and put a window in. Yeah, a lot of really good stuff coming really soon. Now that we are done with the tough work of insulating until 9:30 p.m. So, big old 12-hour day of work, but we got it done today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit subscribe if you like this type of content.
Give us a like.
Give us a like. And yeah, we will see you in the next one.
Hopefully we'll be a lot cleaner by then.
Yep, maybe not.
Lots of trees, lots of trees, lots of trees.
What you thinking right now?
Right, but you could use short, really.
This is the dad show right now. At least we know we're going to pass building inspection for this one. My dad's a building inspector, by the way. That's the joke. How many have we made?
3, 6, 9.
Brian, she
Well, we
fine.
have-
Suck it to me, suck it to me. It kind of feels like sanding, you know, like the old saying of
I have something to tell you.
What?
Turn around. Yep, insulation on your head.
Oh, no wonder my head's been so warm.
Boy.
You're doing great. All right, that is it for tonight. We are just a hot, sticky mess. It is definitely...